Hello สวัสดีครับ In this video we will show you how to communicate between GENESIS64 using MQTT Broker. GENESIS64 can send and receive data from MQTT Broker. That means GENESIS64 can work as the publisher or subscriber or for both publisher and subscriber. The left hand side I use the MQTT Broker and I will use the GENESIS64 on this node to work as the publisher. Then go to Workbench and Internet of Things. Create MQTT Broker connection by right-click on MQTT Broker. Select Add MQTT Broker. Give it a name. For example, My Broker. Give the IP address or if it is the local MQTT Broker, you can use localhost. Specify the port that you have used. The default port is 1883. I have no security mode, but I have the credential. Then I can use the username and password to connect to MQTT Broker and hit apply. Then we have the MQTT Broker connection here. The next step we need to create the publisher list. I have the existing publisher. If you would like to create the new publisher, right click on the publisher list and add publisher list. Then give it a name here. Go to publish real-time points and you need to add some data source or OPC tag, at least one data source. In this case, I will use the OPC data access and from iconic OPC simulator, simulate PLC output and bit 2 and hit OK. Give it a name. You can specify which tag can be right and hit apply. Now create publisher connection. Right click on publisher connection and add MQTT publisher connection. Give it a name. Select MQTT Broker that we have created before. Create some base topic, for example, test topic. Select retain message. Create device ID. For example, my pub device. Specify publisher list that we have created before and hit apply. If you would like to edit the publisher list, you can click on the icon edit the selected publisher list. Click on it. In this case, I will specify the publisher rate to 2 seconds and the refresh rate to 30 seconds. Okay, hit apply. Now it's ready to publish. Start publisher. Hit OK and wait for green light. You can start or stop or restart the service at the Windows service as well. Now go to the subscriber side. At the Workbench, go to Internet of Things and you need to create MQTT Broker connection as well. Right click on it and add MQTT Broker. Give it a name. And give the IP address of the MQTT Broker. Specify the port. Specify the security credential if you have some user and password. And hit apply. Now go to subscriber connection. Create the subscriber connection. Give it a name. And use the encoder same to the publisher site. Specify MQTT Broker that you have created and specify the same base topic. And followed by /sharp to get all data in that topic and hit apply. Now we need some tests. Make sure that you have started the subscriber point manager and also the publisher point manager at the publisher site. Open Data Explorer. Go to My Computer, Internet of Things, and IoT subscriber. You could see My Sub and expand My Sub. You could see My Pub Device. That is the device name that we have configured at the publisher site. Here. This is the device ID. Okay, now expand My Pub Device. You can see publish data via static list. This is the data source that you have published from the publisher site to the MQTT Broker. Click on it. You could see the data, the current data of the OPC tag or data source. If that tag can be writable, we can enter some value. And the value will get back to the publisher site. You can browse to other data source at all available data. Just you can see, I can browse to other data. For example, add data connectivity, OPC data access, and some simulation tags.